spare.
A full-size spare. How much does it weigh?
13,000.
How much is the tire?
About 250 pounds, maybe 275 pounds.
Yeah, don't let that roll off on you.
12 gallons of antifreeze, 30 quarts of motor oil, 7 gallons of transmission fluid.
Jesus. This thing's a beast.
It's fun. It's a hoot.
I need one of these in my life.
Right?
When are we putting machine guns on it?
Traffic's a bitch. It's a 1971 American Motors Corporation, the General Branch, model 923, 5-ton military vehicle, 14-liter Cummins engine. The Jeep, basically, American Motors Corporation is its own Jeep name. It's, I guess, the biggest Jeep made.
All right, guys, we're gonna go for a ride in sneaky number 17. This thing is absolutely incredible. Over 9 feet tall. How much does it weigh?
It's 13,000 pounds.
13,000 pounds. 800 pound-feet of torque.
800 pounds of torque.
On what size tires? 49s?
49-inch tires.
49s.
14 inches wide on a 20-inch wheel. And what's beautiful about these is they're bead lockers. You don't have to have a tire machine. You just pull it off, throw it on the ground, unbolt it, and it comes apart.
Awesome.
You don't have to have a tire machine. You have to have a chain fall to get your spare tire out of the carrier.
Say that again?
There's a lockout switch on your lights to accidentally prevent you from turning your lights on in a military situation. You can also either turn the dash lights on. You can also, there's one other position where you can turn them on for infrared, for IR, so you can still read your gauges with your gear on. You got your battery power switch here. Turn that on first. Then you turn your engine switch on. That's for you. That's your brake warning switch. Just bump it over 14 liter Cummins inline 6.
All right, here we go.
Automatic 5-speed. Allison.
Wow.
It's 14 liters. There's no turbocharger. The red is instant. There's no turbo lag.
What-oh?
Gas get. Shit. Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
Okay, there we go. The gas pedal stuck.
We almost ended up on 85. Looks like we're going to Brazelton.
Yeah, got good brakes though.
Yes, it did.
I shouldn't have pushed the pedal so hard. It went under the plate in the floorboard. It stayed there.
There's your big old puddle.
Hope it's not too deep.
Oh man, this is awesome. Hey look, here's a speed bump.
Yeah.
What speed bump?
What speed bump?
Not bad at all.